Hi there, today we're talking about nested if statements. So if statements and nested if statements, it's an important programming concept to understand because you can use this in any type of programming language. I like to think of a nested if statement as an if statement. You got your if then else. And I like to think of it as an if statement that got pregnant and has an if then else statement inside of it right here. So, if this happens, do stuff, and then, if this happens within here, then do stuff else, do this stuff. Otherwise, if this doesn't happen, then, do this. And you can also have a nested if right here as well. So, we're going to do a demo today, and the demo code is provided online. Let's go through this real quick. So the first thing that we're doing is we're importing the scanner class because we're going to be grabbing information from our user at the command prompt. Right here we've got our class name, then we've got our main method header. So the first thing that we're doing in our program is we're declaring a variable called int number, and then we are creating our scanner object called keyboard. And this is going to allow us to grab information from the user. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to display our name and tell the person what's going on with this program. So this program that we're going to do, it's kind of like a choose your own adventure, and it's called Gone to the Movies demo. So it is Saturday, and you are headed to the movie theater to see New Moon. As you can tell, this is a dated video. This is happening in November 2009. Uh-oh, you are running late. So will you stay on the street or take a shortcut through the alley? So, enter 1 for stay on street or 2 for take alley. Right here, the user is going to enter in something, a number, and then we're going to use this method, this keyboard.nextInt method, to grab whatever number they enter, and we're going to put that into int number. And if I run this program, it's going to look like this. So, it is Saturday, you're headed to a movie theater, see the moon. Uh-oh, you're running late, will you stay on the street or take a shortcut through the alley? So enter 1 or 2. If I type 1, of course, nothing happens because I don't have any other code in here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to explain what the code that we're going to input will do. If the user types 1, if they stay on the street, then they're going to make it to their movie on time. But if they enter 2, then that is going to, if they go through the alley, they're going to get attacked by thieves, and then the thieves are going to try to take the user's money. So we have an if-then-else statement that we're going to use here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to enter this code in, paste it in here. So here we go. So if int number equals 1, then I want to print the following. Congratulations, you made it to your movie on time. Else, do this stuff right here. Now notice when I am creating my program and I use my if then else statements, I'm making sure to organize my code so that this if then else statement and these brackets are organized so that they're all on the same level. See how this matches down here? So this is the ending bracket for this else statement, and here are the brackets for this if statement. So you want to keep everything on the same level. So this section of the our first if then else statement, this is pretty easy to understand. So let's dive into this else statement right here. Now, if int number is greater than 100, the system, the computer program is going to print out the following. The thieves are pleased. They let you go and they even let you keep $20 so you can see your movie. What a great day. Else if, the number is greater than 5 but less than 100, because this right here will catch everything that's greater than 100, and this right here will catch everything between 100 and 5. This will say, the thieves are not happy. They take your money and they throw you in the garbage can. Looks like you didn't get to see your movie today. Else if int number is less than 5, the program will say, the thieves leave you alone. They feel sorry for you because obviously you are not very good at math. You don't even have enough money to see your movie. So, right here, again, this is our nested if statement. And it's living inside this part of the original if statement. Also keep in mind that all of this right here is on the same level. And it's good to do this because it's a good way to organize your code. So if I run this, I should have the following. So it is Saturday, you're headed to the movie theater, see a new moon. Uh-oh, you're running late. Will you stay on the street, take a shortcut through the alley, or take a shortcut through the alley? Enter 1 for stay on the street, enter 2 for take alley. Let's say we take the alley. Oh no, you run into thieves in the alley. They demand that you give them all your money. How much money do you have in your wallet? Let's say we have $3. The thieves leave you alone. They feel sorry because obviously you're not very good at math. You don't even have enough money to go see your movie. Dummy. So this is how nested if statements work. Again, a nested if statement is just an if then else statement that's living inside another if then else statement.